Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Lee, a board-certified ophthalmologist, and today I wanted to give you an updated and non-sponsored review of Tyrvaya as someone who both uses and prescribes this medication. Tyrvaya is the first and only nasal spray for dry eye. The active ingredient is varenicline, a medication that was used to help with smoking cessation and works to stimulate the trigeminal nerve to stimulate tear production. In the randomized clinical trials Onset 1 and 2, patients had significantly more tearing and improved dry eye symptoms as soon as the second week of treatment. Side effects included sneezing in about 82%, and greater than 5% of subjects reported cough, throat irritation, and nasal irritation. The dose is 1 spray in each nostril 2 times a day. So I made my first use video on Tyrvaya over a month ago. Since that video's release, I've gotten so many requests to make an update. So here are some tips I learned from both the company representatives, YouTube viewers like you, and from my own experience. Do not spray the medication too deep, and make sure you are aiming the tip towards the ear on the same side of the nostril. Another important tip is to make sure you press the tongue to the roof of your mouth to decrease any throat irritation and cough. I definitely did not do this during my first use video and got a lot of comments and feedback about this. Don't breathe deeply immediately after you spray. I got an awful sinus headache afterwards that lasted for over a day, but since then, when I've used this medication correctly, I have not gotten headaches. If you have a stuffy nose, make sure you blow your nose prior to use so you have a clear nasal passageway for the medication to get through. Also, while there is no contraindications to using this medication, this is not currently recommended while pregnant, and there is not enough data on children under 18 years of age or while breastfeeding. After 1 month of use, I did notice that I spontaneously make more tears and have wet eyes. I have been prescribing this medication after using it myself, and I really do love offering it to patients who have a hard time putting in eye drops and to those who only make a little bit of tears. Have you tried or prescribed Tyrvaya? Let me know in the comments below what your experience has been. Please like and subscribe to my channel where I make and post a new video about eye health and disease every Saturday, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye!